everyone, my name is Eddy. Welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a vegan sushi roll with oyster mushroom. Alright, let's get started. Oyster mushroom, when you boil it here, sometimes it's getting little tough down, so all you need to just cut it away. And it won't be, when it cooked, it won't be getting too tough and clean, also like this. Okay, just a little bit cut. Okay, now this one already prepared. Oyster mushroom. Okay, it is clean already. Alright, now get yourself a pot. Okay, now let's bring heat on. Okay, good. And get yourself one cooking oil, just any vegetable oil is working. Here I have is the canola oil. Okay, now it's high heat. Remember, now it's high heat. So just a little bit of oil in. Okay, and I have a little bit. Here I have about a clove of the chopped garlic. Then we just create a little fragrance in. Okay, after fragrance come out, it's very quick. Remember, you don't want to overcook the garlic, otherwise you will be burning the garlic. Once flavor come out, immediately then go into our oyster mushroom, then just give it a good stir. Okay. I wish you can smell the fragrance already come out. The reason I keep oyster mushroom, the whole piece like that, is because I want to try to keep whole, and if a good one, then I can use this mushroom to making a nice presentation. Okay, and as you can see, after you cook about a minute, then you see the moisture start to come out. So far I didn't add any moisture at all. So once moisture come out, then it's also the mean the fragrance has already come out. Then in this time, then ready to season. Okay, let me turn down the heat a little bit. Then because they will be very quick. Show you. Okay, the seasoning is so simple. Just soy sauce. This time I just need 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and I will give a little bit, about a teaspoon of the mirin. And the sugar also about a teaspoon, that will be enough. Okay, that's good. Okay, now just let it cook down. In this stage, you see the sauce already started cooking down, and the mushroom is started observe all the seasoning. After we cook down like that, you see the moisture going, mostly, alright, majority going. Okay, then it's ready. Okay, this is very quick. Done. See how quick and how easy it is. Okay, ready? Then let's bring two on the plate. Let it cool down a little bit. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to let it cool down a little bit, because the sushi we were working with our fingers, so you don't want to burn yourself, so rather let it cool down a little bit. In this time, you can just prepare yourself, like this. I already chopped with the cucumber and just cut like a stripe, and also this is carrot or fresh carrot, also just sliced carrot, and just prepare the avocado for where you're going to making the rolls. Okay, in this time, let me just peel the skin out a little bit. All I need just so simple. Cut the 1 and 2 here. Okay, and this will be ready to making the sushi roll. Okay, then making the sushi roll, I'm going to prepare myself. Get a nice rice. Okay, the sushi rice I already get here. If you want to know how I'm making the sushi rice, you can check in the other video how to making sushi rice. First of all, what I want to do is here. I start to choose the nice big chunk piece like that, and I think this one is good. And these small pieces I will put on the side, and this, you see, if you want a good presentation, okay, let me show you, and this is what I mean. And this one is already break down, so I put this and break it down, and 2, 3, 4, okay, and here this pieces also is break down. So choose nice pieces like that, and I will keep 2 in here, bigger chunk of pieces. Let me show you, okay, what I want to try to do. Okay, that already breaking down, so in that case I just cut and slice, long slice like that. Okay, I will put the rolling in the roll. Okay, and the other I will put outside the roll. Okay, you need a bamboo mash, and also here, of course, making the sushi roll, you need a nori seaweed. Okay, and remember, there's a shiny side and there's a rough side. The rough side is rice side. Okay, let's put down in here. Then get ready for the sushi rice. And always remember, before we working on the sushi rice, make sure your finger is wet like that. Otherwise, the rice will sticky all over your hand, your finger. So now we start to place the sushi rice into our nori seaweed. If you feel your finger starts sticky, yeah, keep it moisture. Alright, like that. Then just equally all over your nori seaweed, like that. Okay. Okay, right. Okay, and this time I'm gonna making the inside our roll, which can placing much more filling inside than the maki. So inside out, which means you need the upside down. Okay, like that. Oh, sorry, I forget one thing. These we can just also give some little bit of nice roasted sesame seed. Okay, this is probably good for me. Pick up. And now we start placing our cucumber. Okay, the reason is we put a cucumber because cucumber give you crunchy taste. Okay, crunchy taste, and also the cucumber is quite straight, and it also can help to support your sushi roll to holding all your ingredients, and the carrot nice flavor and colorful. Then now we start placing our sliced oyster mushroom in the middle. Alright, now remember I was keep 2 big chunk pieces like that. So what I'm going to do is, you see I place on the edge, as you can see, slightly over our nori seaweed. Okay, and this one also place, like maybe I put it like that, I can see more clear. Okay, just let it over, let it slightly over, like this. Okay, now last we go put our avocado in. Okay, and remember, this you don't want to put too much filling inside. Otherwise, especially if you are not used to making sushi all the time, or you are new to making sushi, I always recommend don't put too much filling inside. Just start with small first. All right. Then this filling all is good for me. Then wet your finger again. Just rolling like it's like a California roll all the time, like this, all over, and leave the edge like that. It's two, you see, two stick together. Okay, that is what I'm doing. Okay, I know there is some sushi chef will use the plastic wrap your bamboo mash. I also was used like that when I'm learning in beginning, but as you see, the plastic now is not good for environment. So you can use like what I'm doing. You can wear the cloth. This one is also called a cheese cloth. And the same cloth in Asia we use that cloth to making tofu. So it's in Asia they call it tofu cloth. And actually this is traditional way to making the sushi before the plastic come out. Right. So then we just use this. Okay, just form up our roll. Okay. Okay, the trick is you must form it at the bottom. Okay, don't push much on the top. Okay, bottom. Okay, what gonna happen is if you push the bottom, like example, just imagine this is the bamboo mat. You squeeze bottom, then it will getting formed. But if you push the top, then it will open like this, so it won't be holding the roll. So the trick is like that at the bottom. All right. And this time I'm not going to tight form up on the edge. I will show you after I open. As you can see, beautiful color. I mean the beautiful roll. Okay, as you can see here, let me clean up a little bit, then you can see more clear. Okay, now we're ready to slice. Try to get a sharp knife as you can, and also you see this is just my normal kitchen knife, as long as it's sharp. Before you start cutting your sushi, always just like this. Wait, okay, make sure moisture your knife first, then it will help to avoid a stick. Okay, then saw it. Okay, saw it in. Okay, don't straight down. You will squish like that. All right. Then I'm gonna do is you can cut it one by one. Okay. Otherwise you can do like me. Then do it again. Wait till you knife. Then we cut it in half again, like this. Okay. All right. Then continue. We cut it in half for the bite size. Okay. And this. Okay, good. My last cut. So you can good to have bite size into 8 pieces. Okay, now we're ready to plate. First of all, we start the plate in here, like that. Okay, and this another one. And there's also another one. Okay, remember in the beginning I told you the nice presentation. This is what I mean. You see, just placing in here. You see, then you can see it's nice, beautiful mushroom. And remember, we still have some mushroom left. Then this you can just placing on the top. Okay, what I got here, maybe I cut in half, and this one in half again. Then we got enough to garnish our mushroom. Okay, then just equally every single one have a piece of a mushroom on top. Alright, and now the last things we will serve. Before we serve, if you like, you can give us some like this teriyaki sauce. Okay, if you don't know how I make a teriyaki sauce, you can check my other video also, how to make a teriyaki sauce. It's also vegan. Okay, then just give a nice presentation. Okay, like that. Okay, see how beautiful it is. Then we're ready to serve. Alright, then this is my how to make a vegan sushi roll with the oyster mushroom. Simple, easy, and very delicious. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. I see you next time on Eddy's Kitchen.